Hello, folks. Hope everybody's doing well today. We're going to talk a little bit today about nasturtiums, the plant nasturtium. Uh, Carolyn had told me there back in the spring when she grew them that they was good for the garden, repels pests, caterpillars especially. Bugs don't like them. But as it turns out, and I wish I'd have kind of known this a little bit sooner. She may have told me, folks. I don't know. Shh. Um, but anyway, and pardon the noise with the computer. Once again, this is a different computer, but the hard drives there just. But anyway, now the nasturtiums are really good for your chickens. I'd say they'd be good for your goats and everything too. But they claim it's a natural dewormer. That is still unproven, but that's what the claim was. But one of the things is they're a natural antibiotic, and that has been proven. Um, what little bit of research I've done is said that, little Dixie, that it kills 5 different bacterias. Full vitamin C, vitamin A. It's just a real good plant to have. And then, like I said, if you've got chickens, but also we can eat it ourselves. Carolyn said they said it's got like a spicy flavor to it, almost like a horseradish flavor. But no, just something to think about for next year. Now is the time to start thinking ahead to next year. You start dreaming of what's going to be, what might be, and how you're going to lay out your garden, different things like that there. And like this year, if you had a bumper crop of something, you may not grow as much of that next year. You know, if you put up a lot of whatever, you may have enough for, like, say, this year, next year, both. Just, start planning ahead. But I ain't going to bore you. I'm going to show you a little bit of the videos there that Carolyn done when she was collecting some of her nasturtiums. They don't like frost, folks. Light frost, it bit them a little bit. But now, when it got down to 15 the other morning, a few weeks ago, that's it. Of course, that was it with most of the stuff. But I ain't going to bore you. Hope y'all have a great day and a great weekend. Let's see a little bit of this footage. I'll be talking a little bit later on. Carolyn was pulling all these up before the big freeze hit. As you can see, these ones here, the light frost got them. It bit them pretty good.
Come on, guys. Come on, Donald. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day and a great weekend coming up. Stay safe. And next week's videos, we're going to probably, since Thanksgiving's coming up, we'll have several different dessert ideas and maybe side ideas just to give you something to think about there for getting ready for Thanksgiving. It's getting close, folks. Y'all stay safe. Thank you again for watching. We'll be seeing you Monday.